Good morning, children. Today, in sight reading word, we will learn new word. So, are you ready to learn new word? Get ready. The new word is bird. This is bird. We can see so many birds in the sky. Bird. Speak after me. Bird. Very good. Once again, bird. Which word is this? Bird. Again, speak after me. Bird. Dear parents, you are requested to put this word bird in your house and motivate your child to speak this word bird again and again till it is registered in his or her mind. Thank you, parents. Thank you, children. Bye bye.